Hey everyone, I'm going to be doing another vacuum video. This time I'm going to be using the Shark Rotator Professional Lift Away. Since my room hasn't been vacuumed in almost a week, I want to show you guys how much dirt that the Shark can pick up. And you'll be surprised how much dirt it'll pick up, even though this carpet may look pretty clean. So I will set it on a tripod right here and switch it to kind of like move the tripod around and switch it to different views. So first I'm going to be doing this center part right here, and then I'll go over here and then over here. So I'll start off in the center room right here. So here we go. I will try to go a little slow in case you want to see some dirt building up in the dust cup. As you can see, there's already some dirt building up, so this vacuum is cleaning the carpet very well. I will go over the same spot a couple of times just to make sure I pick up everything. I'm be like going over here now. Now I'm going to do this little hallway section over there. I don't know what that was. I don't know what that was, but it must have something stuck up very hard, so. Yeah, it was something very hard right here, so, but it's fine. Sorry about that, y'all. You know, gotta be careful what you're sucking up so that way you don't damage your vacuum, so, yeah, so it's fine, you know, and hopefully it didn't damage my brush bowl. Now I'll go over this center spot one more time. I'll go to this area one more time. You can see all that dirt fly around. Wow. Check this out. Look how much dirt this thing picked up. You know, that's a lot of dirt for you from your carpet that hasn't been vacuumed in almost a week. So that's a lot of dirt it picked up from a room that hasn't been vacuumed in almost a week. So yeah, this vacuum does a pretty good job cleaning, so it does get the deep down dirt stuff out, you know, so it's, because, you know, your carpet's worst nightmare is the heavy dirt that's deep in your carpet that most vacuums may not be able to pick up. So this thing does a great job, so I'll give this 5 stars. So yeah, so I guess that's it for right now. So I hope you guys liked this video, you know. Sorry, like, you know, if you heard the weird noise when I was vacuuming somewhere over there, I picked up something heavy, which it was this right here. So I'm not sure what this is, but I'm just gonna throw this away. So I'm sorry if this made a very creepy, shaky noise. It might have startled you all. So it kind of startled me too. So I was worried if it might have broken the brush roll motor, but it looks like it's fine. So, and you may have noticed when I was vacuuming, like over there where my cat's litter box is. I was kind of going over where the area rug is, like right at the corner. So I may have worried that I might jam up my brush roll, which it did happen before. But in case you're wondering what would happen if I jam this brush roll, it won't actually really do damage because it doesn't have a belt or anything. It's a motorized brush roll, so it doesn't have like a belt like most vacuums would. So, but if it does get jammed off, then this light will turn red instead of green, and it may kick off the brush roll, kind of shut itself down, and you can just turn it off and then turn it back on, and it runs just fine. So I'm sure it won't damage it, but you still always want to avoid getting your brush roll caught in something like a shoelace or a belt or something, or whatever that can jam up your brush roll. So I guess that's it for right now. So I hope you guys like this video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.